Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious chipotle honey glazed ham. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by mixing all of our ingredients to make our sauce. So to the blender cup, add half a cup of orange juice, the juice of our pineapple slices. It should be about 3/4 of a cup, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of brown sugar, 2 pineapple slices, 1 garlic clove, 4 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt. Along with that, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and 4 to 5 chili chipotles in adobo sauce. Okay, once we have that, now we're just going to blend it together until everything is nice and smooth. Alright, so once we have that, we're just going to reserve half a cup. Okay, and the rest, we're going to use it to make our glaze. Alright, and once we have that, we can get ready to cook our ham. Alright guys, so here you want to make sure that your oven's preheating at 325 degrees. Now we're just going to grab our spiral cut pre-cooked ham and transfer it to our baking dish. Now we're just going to grab our sauce and rub it all over the ham. Now to the bottom of our baking dish, we're going to be adding 1/4 of a cup of pineapple or orange juice. Now just cover it with foil. Okay, now we're just going to place it in the oven and allow it to reheat 10 minutes per pound. Alrighty guys, and while we wait for our ham, we're going to make our glaze. So to our pan over medium heat, going to be melting 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, and once the butter melts, we're going to add our mixture along with half a cup of honey and 2 chipotles in adobo sauce. We're just going to mix it and bring it to a simmer. Alright, and once it comes to a simmer, we're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for about 6 to 8 minutes or until our sauce thickens up. Alrighty, and just like that, after 6 minutes, we have our glaze. So now we're just going to turn it off and set it to the side until our ham is done. Alrighty guys, so once our ham is done, now we're just going to remove it from the oven. Remove the foil. And here you can also drain the juices. But we're going to get ready for the fun part. And that's brushing it with our glaze. And make sure you get in between each piece right here. Just open it. Alright, so just make sure you add all of the glaze. Here we're going to top it with the pineapples. I'm going to be topping it with my chipotle peppers. Okay, so now we're just going to stick it in the oven and allow it to bake for 15 minutes. Alrighty, and after 15 minutes, this is what it should look like. Our ham is done. Now we're just going to allow it to rest for a few minutes and then we can get ready for the best part. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this ham right here, it's honestly the best one I have ever made. I love the combination of the chipotles, the honey, the sugar, everything is just so perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So good. It's a little spicy, but it's just so perfect with the brown sugar. It's spicy, sweet. It's just so good. Now just picture it with the mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese on all the sides. It's just so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I made my super easy and delicious chipotle honey glazed ham. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.